Let me tell you something nobody talks about enough. Most people aren't tired. They're uninspired. They're not broken. They're just bored of living the same day over and over again. Wake up, go to work, scroll, sleep, repeat. But deep down, they know they were meant for more. And maybe that's you right now. So here's the truth. You don't need permission to change your life. You don't need to wait for the right time. Because there's never a perfect moment. There's only now and what you do with it. Your future isn't something you find. It's something you create. With discipline, with grit, with relentless belief that your life can be different because you decide to make it different. Nobody's coming to save you. But the version of you who never gave up, they're waiting on the other side of consistency. So get up, get focused, and go build the life you can't stop thinking about. You've got one shot. Make it count.